Yeah.
Is that it there?
Yeah, later yeah, here.
That's it?
It's a good place.
Huh.
It's really, it's in the city.
It's a pay pond.
Yeah, it's pay pond,
Hey,
but you still need to skill.
Still need skill.
Yeah, skill
Right.
require really high.
Yeah. All right, I know what it looks like. This is like catching fish in a barrel, but it's not. This is really a part of the fishing culture here in Taiwan. My good buddy List arranged this private session so I could have a chance to catch another species I've never caught before. Let's see, I need a big weight. Big little knot here at the bottom. Huh? The weight's got a little clip on it. Put that line through the clip there. Snug it down. There you go. Drag's got to be real loose. And when he bites, he's just going to go. Hey, had a bite. Had a bite. Had a bite. Missed it. Felt small though. Hold on. Right in that current. Got a little shake on it. Oh, got one. Old drop shot. That's a bass technique.
Is that
but
big?
it's short work. It's all with him.
Careful, careful.
Don't you worry.
I take your net.
We're
I
gonna
will
need
net
a
for
bigger
you.
net. Ah!
Oh, I see.
Who was it? Ah! Oh my God! What is that thing?
Red carp.
Black carp. Wow. Oh, look at that slime coming off of him. Oh. I can't bring this beautiful fish back to the United States, so I'm gonna let it go.
Yeah? Rod your hand.
Try it. Try it. You'll try it. Yay! 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 Okay. This is a rare Taiwanese bag. This is the one species I catch that I don't release. I'm actually going to throw this away. Got you this time, you sucker. The rod will break before the line breaks, right?
Whoa! Whoa, Cooper! Cooper! Hey, man.
Ah!
Yeah.
Get on it!
Yeah. I can see.
Ah! Oh my God! Wow! Look at that thing.
Yeah, hi.
Come give me a hug. Come hug me. Hug me. Why does nobody want to hug me?
Gosh, no.
Hug me.
Yeah.
All right, before we leave, guys, pull on a couple of these real quick. Seriously.
Oh, he's going.
That's it. Slow. Come on. That's
Like
not
that,
fair.
slow. Oh.
Pull the hook out? Yeah, Brian, let me. Hold it up, Brian. Can you give me one more? One more.
It's all over, dude.
Okay, make sure you drag through. Yeah, you're good.
This spike's a little bit like a striper. Like if you get a good